Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Suzuki Boulevard. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Suzuki Boulevard with 10,997 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. Powered by an 805cc V-twin engine, the Boulevard puts 53 horsepower and 50 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 4.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Boulevard has a 160 to 180-mile range. It has a 27.6-inch seat height and a 644-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds and the rear at 7/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, chrome flaking on the passenger backrest. This bike has a toolkit and 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a continued 90-day, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.